Welcome to Dubai, the city where everything is bigger, bolder, and more extravagant. Today, we are exploring one of the largest shopping and entertainment destinations in the world, Dubai Mall. Get ready to dive into a place where luxury, fun, and innovation meet on a massive scale. Dubai Mall, located right next to the iconic Burj Khalifa, is more than just a shopping center. It's a full-blown experience that attracts over 80 million visitors every year. Yes, you heard that right, 80 million. From high-end luxury stores to unique local brands, Dubai Mall offers a staggering 1,200-plus shops. Fashionistas, tech lovers, and bargain hunters alike will find something to marvel at. You can shop till you drop, literally, because it's almost impossible to see it all in one day. Whether you're here for a shopping spree or a world-class dining experience, this place has it all. Let's take a tour of the most luxurious brand stores and mouth-watering restaurants in one of the world's largest malls. Dubai Mall is a fashionista's paradise. It's home to some of the most prestigious designer brands on the planet. From Gucci and Chanel to Louis Vuitton and Prada, you'll find all the luxury labels right here. Fashion lovers, this is your playground. Whether you're hunting for the latest trends or timeless classics, every corner of Dubai Mall offers something special. Looking for more niche or exclusive brands? You'll also discover Balenciaga, Givenchy, Alexander McQueen, and more. It's where the world's top fashion houses gather under one roof. Step into Fashion Avenue, an exclusive wing of the mall dedicated to luxury shopping in the most glamorous setting. The architecture alone is breathtaking, with sparkling chandeliers and marble floors making you feel like you've stepped into a fashion palace. Dubai Mall's jewelry stores offer an unrivaled selection of breathtaking designs. No matter your style or budget, you'll find something unforgettable. So whether you're after a timeless classic or a bold statement piece, Dubai Mall is the ultimate destination. The Dubai Aquarium is one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world, holding over 10 million liters of water. Imagine walking past this enormous tank that houses more than 33,000 aquatic creatures, including sharks, rays, and an incredible variety of fish. It's like stepping into a whole new world. The aquarium is home to over 140 species, and one of the highlights has to be the incredible sand tiger sharks. These majestic predators are a crowd favorite, and you can see them up close as they VR Park, the largest indoor virtual reality theme park in the world. Whether you're battling aliens, flying over the city, or surviving a zombie apocalypse, VR Park lets you immerse yourself in a whole new reality. It's an experience that blends cutting-edge technology with heart-pumping adventure. Want to mix movies with gaming? Check out Real Cinemas, which not only offers a luxury cinema experience but also lets you dive into gaming pods for the ultimate multiplayer experience. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or gaming with friends, Real Cinemas is the perfect combo of entertainment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this tour of Dubai's must-visit